Hello, everybody. This is Milan Soccer 1313 for box break number 92 from Untouchables. And it ended tonight, June 11, 2020. And it's from one box of SP Authentic 1920. I wish everybody good luck. And we're going to go through the teams and the eBay usernames just to show and confirm what everybody got. And this is after the box break. It's around midnight of the night that it ended. And we'll show that serial number right there before we open the box. We're going to do the break even though not everybody has paid yet, but we can't hold up the break because of that, in good faith that everybody will make the payments. So let's go ahead and show whatever every team that everybody has. Abel454 has Boston Bruins. Calablaze has Colorado, Edmonton, New Jersey, Pittsburgh, and the Vancouver Canucks. Collector Cards has Columbus, Dallas, Montreal, Ottawa, and Washington. CSTI has Anaheim, Minnesota, and Nashville. Duran Stern 2016 has Florida. Furan 66 has the Leafs. Henry Hill has the St. Louis Blues. That's a great name, by the way. Marina 2000 has the Vegas Knights. MPV 90 has the San Jose Sharks. NHL Fan 88 has the Calgary Flames. Powman has Buffalo. Steve Kellis has Arizona. Upstate Cards has Philadelphia. Vandal has Carolina, Chicago, and Detroit. WDD JSS has the Rangers. Wind Exeter has the LA Kings, Islanders, Tampa Bay, and your Winnipeg Jets. All right, now that that's done, let's go over to the box and let's open this up. So first things first, let's get that serial number in there. See if I can get the shadow out. It's kind of hard with the glare, but as you can see, maybe right there. BB088733119 as advertised. So let's go ahead and open this break. Good luck, everybody. And as always, the break will be posted on YouTube. And break number 93 is already posted. So if you guys would like the way I do the breaks, then please join more of them. Box is empty. Good luck, everybody. Pack number 1. And this is from a fresh case. So we're going to do all the boxes from an inner and an inner. I have the whole master, so we're going to do all 16 boxes. And the first pack is a Future Watch Morgan Frost 148 out of 99 for your Philadelphia Flyers. See if I can get that lighting to be a bit better. Morgan Frost Future Watch. Wow. Way to start off the break. Let me see if I can turn on another light here. Help out a little bit. The shadow is pretty bad in here. Okay, that's a little bit better. Sorry for that, but let's keep going. First pack, auto. So there's a hit in basically every pack. This one's a Authentic Moments for Tuukka Rask, the Boston Bruins. Nice hit for the Bruins there. And we have a Young Guns, Adam Johnson for your Pittsburgh Penguins. Nice hit for the Penguins. Authentic Moments for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Spreading the hits around. Oh, this one's a little thicker. Hopefully it's a patch. It is a update card for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Blake Coleman. That's a dummy. And we have an SPS Essentials for the New York Rangers. Artemi Panarin. I forgot he got traded there. SPS Essentials, New York Rangers. Another thick pack. And it's brown, so no patch. And we have a New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Update. I'll show you the back of that too, just to confirm that it is a filler or a dummy. And we have a Future Watch Spectrum Level 1 Martin Fehervary for your Washington Capitals. That's 60. And I believe these are the unscribed. So you can scratch that off when you get it and try to make the set. Base and base. Another thick pack. Brown again. Oh, nice card for your Montreal Canadiens. 29 out of 29. Wow, what a card. Rookie year milestones. This is a nice hit. Guy Lafleur for your Montreal Canadiens. Wow. We're going to put that one with that one. That's a nice card. And the filler. Look how young he is there, too. Guy Lafleur, 29 out of 29. And we have a Arizona limited Phil Kessel. Nice 2 autos in the box. And we have a hit for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Mitch Marner, Spectrum FX. And unscratched at the back. So it's one of those collectors. Nice hit for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Not a bad box, I must admit. We're only like a little more than halfway done. And we have an SP Essentials, Matt Murray for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Nice thick pack here. A patch would top off this box for sure. And we have a rookie update, David Pastrnak for the Boston Bruins. And I'll confirm that that's a dummy. Another thick pack. And we have a limited for the Ottawa Senators, Thomas Chabot. Filler, base. 4 packs to go. And again, guys, if you like the way I do the breaks, just an honest breaker here, not looking to make a killing, just likes having fun, opening up some packs, getting some big hits. Box break number 93 is posted for next Thursday. Space. Another limited card, the Sobchakov for the Kings. Nice hit for Carolina. Base and base. Another thick pack. Boston Bruins, SP Essentials, Brad Marchand. 2 packs to go. Las Vegas, Alex Martinez. Update card. Last pack. Good luck. Thanks for joining, guys. Wish you all the best. Hope to see you guys in my next break. And we have a authentic moments for the Montreal Canadiens. Carey Price. And there you have it, my friends. Good luck. I'll get these packaged out, sorted, and sent out. Thanks for joining.